Hey guys, Mike Munzing, Munzing Mortgage Group. So glad to have you here. Let's see what's going on in the mortgage industry this week. As I do on occasion, I am shooting this live from Soka University. What a beautiful scene behind me here in Aliso Viejo. It's fantastic. But this week I want to touch on the rates. You got to be aware of what's going on in the rates. They have remained fairly level. Go to my website and pull up this rate sheet here. It's over at www.mikemunzing.com. In the rate sheet, you will see that they have remained level, but what's going on are the programs. It doesn't exactly show on the rate sheet, but the programs are great. We're getting 5% down with no MI on conventional loans, and FHA, VA, they're looking great. Priced out a couple of VAs. I even priced out a VA duplex this last week. The rates are hanging in. They're looking good. Not where they were, but they're looking good. Definitely important. Now, with this market, with very little inventory, the online application is critical. Getting your buyers, hopefully our buyers, ready to go, getting them approved quickly is fantastic, and it is very important when you're making that offer. On my website as well, I've got the online application. It is a PDF. It's fillable. They can fill it right in on their computer and send it to me. You can even save that onto your iPhone, on any of your devices, your computer, and you can email that from anywhere, right to your buyers. Keep it with you. You meet with a buyer, send them the application. That'd be great. Love to cover that for you and get them ready to go and get them approved quickly and with a lot of ease. Now, the application brings us to the approvals. Now, the approvals are getting very interesting. Some of our investors are doing kind of an automated employment verification during the initial approval. Right there in the automated approval, if we have the work number for everyone. So what's happening is the income and the employment verifications are speeding up exceptionally quickly. That's getting that out of the way on some of our buyers. Complicated buyers and others, it doesn't work out, but it does work out very well on some of the buyers. A number of my investors have implemented this, so it's going to keep on getting easier and faster for you, the realtors, to get those deals into escrow and we get them closed. It is great. That's the one benefit of dealing with me, Mike Munzing, as a broker, is I can make all this happen for you with a bunch of different investors and making sure we get the best rates all the time. Finally, we are just about a month into the new administration, this Trump administration, and we are watching to see what's going to be happening with the CFPB, with the financing, the old Dodd-Frank, and what's going to happen with that. And that I've been monitoring. We keep hearing hints of what's happening, but the biggest thing you and I need to be aware of is what the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has brought to us. We have the loan estimate that we have to deal with. That's the new GFE that we had, the good faith estimate, but it is now 3 pages, detailed, somewhat complicated. We've talked about that. We've gotten over the delays that caused. But on these deals, after that, at the end of the deal, we have the closing disclosure, this document here, that we have to worry about because the borrower needs to acknowledge that, sign that, and then we have to wait 3 days before the loan docs can go out. So that is causing a few delays for us, something you need to be aware of, and we need to watch and see if they're going to be doing away with this or what's going to happen with these documents, and I will keep you up to speed on that. The important thing is making it easier for our buyers to buy the homes. Truly, I do not believe that it's our buyers not understanding. I can't tell you back in the 2006, 7, and 8 that these buyers, they knew what they were doing. They weren't going in blind. They just, they wanted those deals and they wanted those loans. I never did a subprime loan, but I talked to escrow officers who had their borrowers sign some of the most horrific loan programs and docs for loan programs that were just not advantageous. The borrowers knew what they were doing. So getting the deals done right, getting them informed as much as possible is critical these days. I always try to make sure they know exactly what they're getting into, the type of loan, generally 30-year fixed and all the different parameters, so they're educated. There's nothing I want less than a surprise borrower at the end for you, for me, for any of us. Well, hey, we're coming into a beautiful weekend. It's going to be great. I'm going to be working, so call me anytime, 949-689-5626. I look forward to working with you, your buyers. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless this beautiful country. I love working with you guys. I love being here for you. I've been out here about 30 years. Call me. Bye-bye.
money, 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 money.